Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for an easy delicious bang bang sauce. It's great with fried shrimp, fried chicken, you name it. Once it's fried, it's really delicious. So let me jump straight into this recipe and show you how easy this one is to put together. So to make this, we'll be using the Trini Sriracha sauce. This is the newest sauce on the market and it's absolutely divine. So to make this, we're starting in our cup with some mayo. I'm using regular mayo. You can also use eggless mayo. In goes that sriracha sauce. Now I'm leaving measurements for you guys, but you can add more or less according to what you like more in your sauce. So the amounts are not really set, but it's just a guide. Next, I'm going to go in with my light soy sauce. And on the back of this soy sauce bottle, you'll also find the recipe for this bang bang sauce. This one is from the guys at Caribbean Flavors. Next, we're going to go in with my sweet chili sauce. And you guys can add as much or as little of this sweet chili sauce as you like. And we're going to start mixing. You want to mix until it comes together. It's well incorporated. You want to taste it and adjust your ingredients accordingly. If you want it sweeter, add more sweet chili sauce. Now all you have to do is pour it out into a serving container. You see that beautiful light pink color that it has? That's from the sriracha sauce. And now we're going to garnish with some chopped chives, or you can use scallions or chives as we say in Trinidad. And here you have it. Bang bang sauce. Really easy and delicious. Great with your fried chicken, fried shrimp, fried fruits, even fried wontons. So if you guys are interested in this Trini Sriracha sauce, I would leave the information for Mr. Spicino in the description box, and it's also here on your screen. You can contact them for delivery throughout Trinidad and Tobago. They also sell wontons, pot stickers, and spring rolls. And the soy sauce is also available at all your leading supermarkets in Trinidad and here at BDC and Quinn Supermarket in Florida. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Do remember to continue to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.